First of all, to measure whether our machine is in a horizontal state or not, you can use a spirit level to measure, and if the position is offset, you can manually adjust it to ensure that the machine is in a horizontal state. Then in the link power supply, there are 4 power supplies which contain a ground wire, 3 servo power cables. Because it is a servo motor, so just make sure that the ground wire is connected correctly. After the power cord is connected, first turn on the power, wait for the system to boot up, then release all emergency stop buttons. Turn on the oil pump, click ORG on the system panel. Allow the machine to automatically calibrate the parameter points, and once the above steps are completed, you can start bending according to your product.